HVAC is everywhere, in homes, offices, malls, and hospitals. But what exactly is HVAC, and how does it work? In this video, we will explain the basic concepts of HVAC in a simple and easy way. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It is a system designed to control temperature, humidity, and air quality inside a building. Heating is used to increase indoor temperature during cold weather. Common heating systems include heaters, furnaces, boilers, and heat pumps. The goal of heating is comfort and safety. Ventilation means supplying fresh air and removing stale air from a space. It removes dust, odors, carbon dioxide, and moisture. Good ventilation improves indoor air quality and protects human health. Air conditioning does not create cold. It works by removing heat from indoor air and releasing it outside. Air conditioners also control humidity, making the environment more comfortable. The thermostat is the brain of an HVAC system. It senses room temperature and controls heating or cooling to maintain comfort. Most HVAC cooling systems work on the refrigeration cycle. It includes four main components: evaporator, compressor, condenser, and expansion device. This cycle continuously removes heat from indoor air. Humidity control is a key HVAC concept. High humidity makes rooms feel hotter, while low humidity causes dryness. HVAC systems help maintain balanced humidity for comfort. Modern HVAC systems are designed to save energy. Inverter technology, proper maintenance, and correct temperature settings reduce electricity consumption. So these are the basic concepts of HVAC: heating, ventilation, air conditioning, temperature control, humidity control, and energy efficiency. If you understand these basics, learning HVAC becomes very easy. Subscribe to HVAC official channel for more simple and honest HVAC education.